Welcome back to Turbo Auto, your trusted source for the latest car reviews, industry insights, and upcoming vehicles in the US market. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact sedans of the year, the 2026 Mazda 3. Known for its blend of sporty design, premium interiors, and sharp handling, the Mazda 3 has always punched above its weight class. And in 2026, Mazda takes it a step further. Let's take a closer look at what this sleek sedan brings to the table. Exterior. Starting with the front, the 2026 Mazda 3 continues Mazda's elegant Kodo design philosophy, which emphasizes motion and fluidity even at a standstill. The grille has been slightly reshaped, now more angular with a gloss black mesh pattern that adds a sharper, sportier vibe. Slimmer LED headlights give it an aggressive, modern expression, and new adaptive lighting tech ensures improved visibility and style. The sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly into the grille, giving the car a muscular and cohesive front end that demands attention. From the side, the profile remains sleek and athletic. Mazda has added new wheel designs for 2026, including an optional 18-inch gloss black alloy wheel that complements the car's dynamic stance. The shoulder lines are clean and uninterrupted, showcasing the craftsmanship in Mazda's sheet metal work. The slightly lowered roofline and a more sculpted rocker panel add a hint of coupe-like style without compromising practicality. The side mirrors are body-colored and now come with integrated turn signals as standard across all trims. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Mazda 3 continues its minimalist yet premium aesthetic. The taillights are narrower and more distinct, featuring a new LED signature that looks sharp day or night. A subtle rear spoiler integrated into the trunk lid gives it a sporty finish. The dual exhaust tips are real, no fake vents here, and lend a performance feel to the rear end. The rear bumper has been slightly reshaped for a more aggressive look, especially in the new Carbon Edition trim. Interior. Step inside, and the Mazda 3 truly feels like it belongs in a class above. For 2026, Mazda has refined the cabin even further with higher-grade materials and enhanced tech. The dashboard layout is minimalist, driver-focused, and now features a larger 10.3-inch infotainment display that runs on the latest Mazda Connect interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the graphics are crisp and fast to respond. Mazda has also added ambient lighting in the higher trims, and the front seats have been redesigned for more comfort and support. Soft touch materials extend across the dash and door panels, and you'll find real leather in trims like the Premium and Carbon Edition. The rear seats remain a bit tight for taller adults, but the space is adequate for daily use or short road trips. Cargo space remains at around 13.2 cubic feet in the sedan version, which is average for the segment. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda 3 offers a choice of two engines. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder produces 191 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque, delivering strong acceleration and responsive performance in city and highway driving. But if you're looking for more thrills, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is the one to get, pushing out up to 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque with premium fuel. That's enough to make this compact car feel genuinely quick. The 6-speed automatic transmission remains, but it's tuned for smooth shifts and responsive downshifts. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available, a rare offering in this class. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system helps improve cornering stability, making the car feel planted and composed during spirited driving. It's not just a daily commuter, it's a car you'll enjoy driving every single day. As for pricing, the 2026 Mazda 3 starts at around $25,000 for the base 2.5S model. The select Sport and Preferred trims offer more features and styling upgrades, moving the price up to the low $30,000s. The turbocharged variants start around $33,000, and the fully loaded Premium Plus trim can reach up to $37,000. While it's a bit pricier than some compact rivals, you're paying for a more refined driving experience and a near-luxury entry. So, what do we think about the 2026 Mazda 3? It's stylish, refined, fun to drive, and packed with features that many cars in its class simply can't match. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a small car with a premium edge, the Mazda 3 should absolutely be on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you pick the 2026 Mazda 3 over the Civic or Corolla? We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching Turbo Auto, and we'll see you in the next one.